Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will learn how to install the current MySQL version on Windows 11. With that we will also create a sample database. Let's start. At first go to the web browser. On Google type MySQL and press enter. On pressing enter the official website is visible. Click on it. Now go to the downloads menu. Go below. Here and click on MySQL community downloads. Now under MySQL community downloads, click on MySQL installer for Windows. Here is the current version visible 8.0.40 and it automatically selected the operating system. Here two versions are visible. Okay, you need to select the second one, which is 306 MB. It works for both 32-bit as well as 64-bit Windows. Click download. Now here in directly click no thanks, just start my download. The download started. Let's wait. The download completed. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Now the installation started. You need to choose a setup type. I'll directly click custom so that we can see what we are installing. Click next. Now under select products, go to MySQL servers. Click on the drop down again and here it is. We want this. Click on the arrow to drag it. Now go to applications, click on Workbench. Click on Workbench again and click on MySQL Workbench. Click on the arrow to drag it and do the same for shell. MySQL shell. Okay, here it is. Drag it. So we want all these three. So I'll just click next now. Here and ready to install all three. Click execute. Now it is installing. Let's wait. Completed. Now click next. Ready to configure. Click next. Type and networking. Keep it as it is. The port number is 3306. No problem. Click next. Authentication method. Keep the default, which is recommended. Use strong password. Click next. Now we will mention the root password. You need to set your own password. So root means the admin. Okay. Now I'll set a password. So after setting the password, you need to remember it and click next. Windows service, keep it as it is. Click next. Server file permissions. Okay. Your database will get saved in the following location. You can check later. Yes, grant full access. Keep the default. Click next. Apply configuration. Click execute. So the configuration is complete. Click finish. Click next. Now the installation is complete. When you'll click finish, both the workbench and shell will start. Click finish. Now before moving further, you need to set the path. Now click C drive. We installed it under program files. Go below MySQL server bin. Copy this path. Okay, you need to set the same path. Minimize. Go to start. Type environment variables. Click open. Here and go to environment variables. Click on it. Now go to system variables. Go to the path and double click. Now click new. Right click and paste the same path. Click OK. OK and the last OK. Now we have installed it. Now go to start. Type cmd. Click open. We will now verify the installation. Let us type MySQL space hyphen hyphen version and press enter. Here you can see we installed 8.0.40 successfully. Now let us enter our MySQL, start the server. MySQL space hyphen u, U is for user. If you remember, it was root. And P is for password. Type hyphen P and press enter. Now enter the same password. Press enter and MySQL started. Okay. Now let us see the default databases. Type the command show databases and semicolon, press enter. These are the default databases. Now I'll create a database quickly using the create space database command. After that, mention your database name. Let's say I'll mention Amit. Let's say I'll mention Amit DB semicolon and press enter. So this is my database name. Press enter. Query OK means we successfully created our first database. You can also verify now. Type show databases semicolon and press enter. Now we have the Amit DB also. Okay. So if you want a free MySQL tutorial, refer the link in the description of this video. Also about Workbench, click here. Okay, now you have Workbench also. Workbench is a UI to work around MySQL. If you don't want to type commands, you can directly use the UI here. Both the MySQL and MySQL Workbench tutorials are available for free on our YouTube channel. Just go to the video description and get the links. Thank you for watching the video.